You know, a little break in the action. Had 3 of them feeding today. Boomer, Bella, and the Newbie. Starting to warm up. They'll start getting more active, and I think Bella's with pups. So it'll be a month before I find out. Come on, guys! Come on, Chip Chip! Ah, here, come on. Come here, dude. Come here. Come on. Get right there. Come here. Can't tell what it is. Come here, dude. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Come here. Get up here. Come on. Oh, hey, dude. Here. It's Newbie. Hey, Newbie's on my shoulder. I think I got him up here once before, though. Come on. Can't tell if that's a boy or a girl. Usually they'll clean themselves in front of me, and you can tell if they have nipples or a girl. But not yet. No verdict yet.